Just got threading done? Don't let acne ruin that smooth glow. Here's a soothing DIY remedy you can try right at home. These simple ingredients help calm irritation, reduce redness, and prevent pimples after threading. Mix 2 tablespoons of rose water with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 1 drop of tea tree oil if your skin is acne prone. Stir well. Gently dab this soothing mix onto your skin with a cotton pad. Avoid rubbing. Let it air dry naturally. Do this right after threading and once more at night. Avoid makeup or touching the area for 6 to 8 hours to prevent breakouts. Try this DIY post-threading care and say goodbye to unwanted pimples. Like and follow for more natural beauty tips.